Welcome to our exploration of the remarkable world of tiny AI models. Before we dive into the rise of these innovative technologies, let's take a moment to understand their immense potential through a groundbreaking example. Imagine an AI model so efficient that it operates seamlessly on edge devices without needing a constant internet connection. XNOR.ai achieved this with their revolutionary object detection model. Designed to run on limited computational resources like smartphones, cameras, and even drones, XNOR.ai's tiny yet powerful AI model delivered astonishing results. One standout project involved deploying this model on solar-powered security cameras in remote areas. These cameras, lacking reliable power sources, required real-time object detection to alert on potential security threats. The tiny AI model excelled, offering accurate detection with minimal energy consumption, far outperforming traditional larger models dependent on constant connectivity. This breakthrough showcased the practical applications of tiny AI models, highlighting their ability to bring advanced technology to underserved and hard-to-reach areas. By leveraging their efficiency and low power requirements, XNOR.ai made a significant impact, proving that innovation doesn't always come in large packages. With this inspiring example in mind, let's explore the rise of tiny AI models and how they are reshaping the future of technology. Share your thoughts on tiny versus large AI models in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our other video on the future of AI technology. Before we dive into the rise of tiny AI models, let's take a moment to highlight a remarkable case study that showcases their effectiveness and innovation. Meet the AI model behind the groundbreaking application, XNOR.ai. XNOR.ai developed a revolutionary object detection model that operates entirely on edge devices, requiring no connection to the cloud. This tiny yet powerful model was designed to run on devices with limited computational resources, such as smartphones, cameras, and even drones. The results were astonishing. In one of their standout projects, XNOR.ai deployed their model on solar-powered security cameras. These cameras, placed in remote areas without reliable power sources, needed to detect and alert on potential security threats in real time. The tiny AI model excelled, providing accurate object detection with minimal energy consumption, far surpassing the performance of traditional, larger models that relied on constant internet connectivity. This breakthrough not only demonstrated the potential of tiny AI models in practical applications, but also highlighted their ability to bring advanced technology to underserved and hard-to-reach areas. By leveraging the efficiency and low power requirements of tiny AI, XNOR.ai's solution made a significant impact, proving that innovation doesn't always come in large packages. Now, with this inspiring example in mind, let's explore the rise of tiny AI models and how they are reshaping the future of technology. Artificial intelligence has come a long way, and while the spotlight often shines on the giants, there's a new contender making waves: tiny AI models. These compact powerhouses are proving that size isn't everything. Imagine a world where smaller, more efficient models can outperform their larger counterparts in specific tasks. Sounds intriguing, right? Take for instance MobileNet, a lightweight neural network designed for mobile and embedded vision applications. Despite its smaller size, MobileNet has shown exceptional performance in image classification and object detection, rivaling some of the larger, more resource-intensive models. Then there's DistillBERT, a distilled version of the BERT model. It maintains 97% of BERT's language understanding capabilities while being 60% faster and 40% smaller. This means quicker responses and less computational power, making it accessible for a wider range of applications. These examples highlight a key advantage of tiny AI models: efficiency. They require less computational power, which translates to lower costs and reduced energy consumption. Plus, their smaller size means they can be deployed on a wide range of devices, from smartphones to edge devices, democratizing access to AI. So, as we delve deeper into the world of tiny AI, let's explore how these innovative models are not just keeping up with their larger counterparts, but in many cases, leading the way. In the world of artificial intelligence, there's a common belief that bigger is always better. Large AI models, with their massive data sets and complex architectures, have indeed produced some groundbreaking results. But they come with their own set of challenges. These behemoth models require vast computational resources, making them expensive and energy-intensive to operate. Additionally, their sheer size can limit accessibility, as only a handful of well-funded organizations can afford to use them effectively. As we move forward, it's crucial to ask ourselves, is there a better way? Can we achieve the same, or even better results with smaller, more efficient models? Let's find out. Welcome to the cutting edge of technology, where the world of artificial intelligence is constantly evolving. Today we delve into an exciting development: tiny AI models. These compact yet powerful algorithms are revolutionizing how we think about AI, offering surprising capabilities in a smaller, more efficient package. As tech giants and startups alike invest in these miniature marvels, their relevance in our daily lives grows ever more significant. Stay tuned as we explore the unexpected potential of tiny AI models and what they mean for the future of technology. What's something people don't know about tiny AI models? Today we uncover a tiny AI model that's making giants tremble. Tech companies invest billions in massive AI models, but what if we told you that a lightweight AI is outperforming them in speed, efficiency, and accuracy? Meet Tiny AI model name, an advanced AI that does more with less. It's faster, cheaper, and smarter, revolutionizing industries from healthcare to robotics. Unlike bulky AI systems that need supercomputers, this model runs on your smartphone or even low-power devices. Imagine an AI that thinks in real time without draining resources. What makes it special? Cutting-edge optimization, fewer parameters, and neural efficiency. This means faster responses and real-time adaptability. Big tech is taking notes, and this could change AI forever. Could this be the future of AI? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to Futureverse for more AI breakthroughs. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the bell icon for the next big tech reveal.